Hi everyone, Martin Stormer here. This is just going to be a quick introduction to how to use the new Hotkeys feature of ChemDraw 2017 to draw a quick reaction scheme. Now I'm going to try and use as few clicks and move and trips to the drawing palette as possible. I do have to start with one, so I'm going to choose a benzene ring here. Then I'm going to use the 1 hotkey while pointing at this atom to produce a single bond, and then the 3 hotkey to produce another benzene ring, and then I'm going to produce another single bond here by pressing the 1 hotkey again. Now I'm going to use the spacebar, which automatically selects this fragment, which I'm going to use as the core of a reaction scheme. So while this is highlighted, I'm going to use Command right arrow to create a simple scheme, then the Command down arrow to create a second scheme, and the Command left arrow to complete the circle, and all of the new elements are all beautifully aligned. Now if I just go to this position here, this is the only one in fact which I actually have to edit manually because there is no hotkey for what I want to do. So this is going to be a nitro group. Then if I just simply point to this one here, I can just use the hotkey N to make an amino group, and then use the hotkey I to produce an iota group. And even though I don't need it here, I will put the H here to make it clear that we're replacing a hydrogen atom in a reaction scheme. And you can probably guess what the reagents for this reaction will be. So there it is. I've used as small number as possible of trips to the palette here to actually create a simple scheme, and then you can go and add the features of the reagents as required using the normal ChemDraw drawing tools or writing tools. There you go. That's a quick introduction to how the hotkeys work.